Hey, how's it going, guys? This is part 2 of the Video Intelligence API for Python tutorial series. In this video, we're going to actually do some codings and to learn how to use the Video Intelligence API. So first thing first, so here's my Google Cloud Service Account Client token. And I'm going to grab the file name first. So here I already create a Python script, and I named the script demo.py. I'm going to import the OS module first. And from the OS module, there's a method called environ. It's environb. Actually, it should be environ without the b. I want to first provide the system environment's variable name. Actually, that's the client. That's the JSON file. When you run your script, the Video Intelligence API is going to look for Google application credentials variable value. So Google underscore application underscore credentials. My service account file name is Google Cloud Key underscore my service account.json. Next, we want to import the Video Intelligence module. Actually, let me zoom in. Let me increase the font size. So set the font size to 19. Oh, that's for the terminal. It should be editor. Okay, I'll set that to 20. So from google.cloud, we want to import the Video Intelligence module. Next, we want to create a video clients instance. So from the Video Intelligence module, we want to create an instance of Video Intelligence Service Client. Now let me just run these 4 lines individually. And I'll move this to the right. Okay, I feel like my command prompt font size is way too big. Oh, I set to 119, should be 19. Okay. Now we have the Video Intelligence Service Client instance. So this instance basically is the portal to access the different API services. Next, we want to figure out the features that I want to use to make the API call. So I'll create an object called features. And from Video Intelligence module .enums.features, actually just feature. And here we can access different enumerations value. So if we want to use the label detection feature, they want to reference the label detection key. If we want to use the object tracking feature, they want to reference the object tracking key. For this video, I simply just want to show you how to use a very simple feature. Let's choose label detection. For this exercise, I have 2 videos clips. Actually, here's one of the clips. So this is a video I took of my backpack, my phone, and my Samsung SSD drive. And yeah, the video is about 45 seconds long, and this honeycombs can. And I think this one more thing. Oh, this Tom's bag. I just want to see will the Video Intelligence API be able to detect the logos. So by default, you want to. So let's go back to console.cloud.google.com. So let's go back to the Google Cloud Platform. So this one more thing we need to do. You want to go to the navigation menu and scroll down to storage. Oops, let me go back. Storage. And click on browse. You want to first of all create a bucket. And I already have a bucket called dummy videos. So once you create the bucket, you want to upload your videos to your folder. So in this case, I upload 2 videos to my dummy videos folder or bucket. And this is the video that I just showed you. So if I click on preview, and actually the video is only 24 seconds. Now I have another video, which is a video that I download from YouTube, and it's only 5 seconds long. But this it's a very short clip of Coca-Cola commercial. Let's use the other video first. I want to show you the result of these 2 videos. When you click on the video you want to use, from the object details page, you want to grab this URI address. So copy this link, and we'll put the link somewhere. So let's put it right here, and we'll assign the link or the address to a variable. Let's call this Google Storage URI. So let me see if I can list out all the features. So if I do this, okay, so if I use list and followed by providing the video intelligence that enums that feature, and that's going to list out all the features are available that are tied to the video intelligence module. I'll copy this and I'll just put this on top, so that way that you know what features you can access. Next, we want to make an API call to the Google Cloud Engine to basically analyze the video. So we'll take the video clients instance, annotate video, and from this method we'll provide input URI, and from the features parameter we'll also provide the feature that I want to perform. And these are the 2 parameters that we'll be using. So we'll provide the URI first, GS URI, and for the features it's going to be features. Actually that's fine. So this is going to be coming from the features object. Then we want to grab the results. So we'll store the output to an object. Let's name this object operation. Then we want to grab the result. So from operation we want to grab the result. But if we don't have anything within 2 minutes, so from the timeout parameter, we're going to assign 120, which stands for 120 seconds. Then we're going to cancel the entire operation. Now let me run these 2 lines individually. And here, the first one, feature is not defined. Let me see. Now if I run line 19 again, okay. Now let me print operation object. So here we get operation object, and here's the unique ID. And I'm going to run line 20. And if I print the result object, and that's going to be our results. So if we look at the result type, and it's going to be a annotate video response data type. But essentially this is a dictionary object, but it's missing some of the dictionary methods and attributes. So here I'll create an object. I'll name this object segments underscore labels. And actually, let me see. So if we scroll to the top, the beginning key is annotation results. So we need to grab the annotation results first. So here I'll create another object. I'll name this object annotations results. Is equals to results dot annotation results. And if I print annotation results, and that's going to return the annotation details in a list. So here we have the square brackets. Here I'm going to write a loop. So I'm going to say that for segment label in annotation results, and let me see, is that right? Actually, let me just run it to see what I have so far. So if I run this loop, and I get the same output. So input URL. So these are the attributes we can access. So if we take the annotation results, and we'll do print the input underscore URI, and we'll make a copy of this line right here. Segment label annotations, and we'll have another segment label annotations. So let me run these 3 lines. Oops. Let's see. So it's no attribute input. Let's see. Oh, so I guess it's gonna be a right. So it's gonna be a list. Is that right? Let me see. Oh, so here I forgot. So I'm going to access the first record to the annotation results. Let me try again. No variables. If I print the results, so if I take the results and let's do input URI. Okay, so that returns the video address. So that's the video address where we get the video from. So if I print line 28, annotations results dot segment label annotations, and that's going to give us a list. So okay, all right. So here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to basically just iterate each item one by one and extract the information. So here I'm going to say that for segment label in annotation results, and first thing is the video label description. So video label description dot format segment label dot entity, they want to grab the description. So entity dot description. And for category entity in segment label dot category entities, I'm going to print label category description. So label category description, and I'll insert a tab. So category entity dot description. And next, let's see. So I want to say that for segments in segment underscore label dot segments. So basically, within a segment label, you have 2 different subgroups. So one is the category entities, and the other one is the segments. The first attribute is the start time and the end time. So start time, This will returns the, in most cases, will be the beginning video time and the ending time. So here I'm going to say that segments. So from the segments object, the segment, the start time, underscore offset the seconds, plus segment, the segments, see the start time, the nanos, and divide by a billion seconds, so 1e9. And that's going to give you the start time. And for the end time, it will be, so we'll take this. So you can just make a copy of these two lines. And we'll replace start time with end time. So start time, offset. Actually, it should be end time offset, end time offset. They want to display the clear position, and it's gonna be seconds. To this is gonna be the end time seconds, and this should be end time. The format and start time and end time, and confidence. So we also want to grab the confidence value. So I'm going to also grab the index value. So to do that, I will use the enumerate methods or functions, and that also gives me the index value. So here I forgot the extra space. And last thing I want to do is I want to print the value. So tab. This one will be segment. Should 0 and 1. I want to provide the index followed by the position. Oops, position. And this one will be the confidence. Alright, now that's basically it. So this is the entire script. Now if I save and run the script, so here I'm getting an error. And let me see. So I have the annotation results. Now I'm going to just run this block of code manually. So if I just run it, and here I'm getting the type error. Video annotation results is not errorable. So let me see. So let me run these two lines. Oh. So I say I know my mistake. So from the annotation results object, we still need to reference the segments. Actually, is that right? Oh, we still need to reference the segments, label, annotations. So let me just run this one by itself. Annotation results not found. Okay, I think that's where my mistake is. Let me try again. So if I just run this block of code by itself, And here my start time is it's not correct. So what do we have here? Oh, so I forgot the offset. Okay, so the video clip starts from 0 seconds and ends at 24.4 seconds. Okay, let me try again. So let me close this. Now if I press F5 to run the script, and here's our results. So from the video that I provide, and the only labels Google Video Intelligence API was able to detect is my backpack, and the other one is electronic. So it's the category is under technology, and we also have the bag label. Now let me use the other video, which is the Coca-Cola commercial video. Let me see. So if I go back, and it will be this one. So if I grab the Google Cloud link, the video address, I'm going to replace this address with the other address. Now if I press F5 to run the script, okay, now this time we have a lot more results. So the first result is the video label description. It recognizes that the Coca-Cola has the label Coca-Cola, and it has some text. It's a drink, graphic design, soft drinks, fonts. So these are the things that the video intelligence APIs was able to detect, which is pretty good. From a very short clip of video, it was able to extract this much of information. I don't work with videos very often, but I think for a lot of companies or individuals who work with different video clips every day, then using the video intelligence API can be pretty beneficial and useful when you want to organize your video clips, or if you need to search video clips by certain categories and so on. So this is everything I'm going to cover in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And I'll find some time to make more videos related to video intelligence API. But for now, this is everything I'm going to cover. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.